Hi, Lipiao here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn He Leadeth Me. It's a relatively simple hymn to learn and play, and I've done this in the key of G because it's a bit easier for my voice. And the chords you're going to need are G major, C, D major, and E minor. Okay, let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in double or quadruple time, so we'll be using a fairly standard strum, down, down, up, down. He leadeth me, oh blessed thought, oh words with heavenly comfort fraught. Whatever I do, where'er I be, still 'tis God's hand that leadeth me. He leadeth me, He leadeth me, by His own hand He leadeth me. His faithful follow I would be, for by His hand He leadeth me. Okay, grab a song sheet and we will play through all 4 verses once through. He leadeth me, oh blessed thought, oh words with heavenly comfort fraught. Whate'er I do, where'er I be, still 'tis God's hand that leadeth me. He leadeth me, He leadeth me, by His own hand He leadeth me. His faithful follow I would be, for by His hand He leadeth me. Sometimes with scenes of deepest gloom, sometimes where Eden's flowers bloom, by waters calm or troubled sea, still 'tis God's hand that leadeth me. He leadeth me, He leadeth me, by His own hand He leadeth me. His faithful follow I would be, for by His hand He leadeth me. Lord, I would grasp Thy hand in mine, nor ever murmur, nor repine, content whatever lot I see, since 'tis my God that leadeth me. He leadeth me, He leadeth me, by His own hand He leadeth me. His faithful follow I would be, for by His hand He leadeth me. And when was He Leadeth Me. It's a delightful hymn, very simple to play, just the standard 4 chords. So I hope you enjoy playing that as much as I did. See you next week.